say happy birthday to myself. Yan ako na i-upload ko. I-upload ko. Gusto ko kayo? I-upload ko sa internet. Oh.
Wala.
Natutulog kanina. Kasi binagyo kami, wala kami sa Alabang eh. Nasa celebrity kami natulog. Wala lahat ng lines, walang kuryente. Oh, no, walang kuryente. Siya ba yan? Ayan. That is Josette's voice over the sound system. So that your Lola will see you. Say hi, Lola. Hi, Lola Charit. Say hi, Lola Charit.
Hey, Lola Charit.
I'm going to put it in the internet. Come on. Say hi. Venga, class. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mom. It's her birthday.
I'm waiting for you.
Wish you were all here.
Voice yan, Giselle. Voice ni Giselle.
Oh nga yan. Sa intercom, that's Josette's voice singing. And Alex, hi.